By the end of this quick tutorial, you're going to know exactly how to make the Carrd website look optimal for mobile, especially when it comes to images. But before I get into it, I want to let you know there's a link in the description to take you to nocode.mba, where you can take a look at our free resources and also get access to our premium courses, where you can learn from the best no-code instructors all about building with no-code tools. So here we are inside the Carrd dashboard. In fact, I have a website already crafted here. And what I've done is I've uploaded an image to here and edited it and cropped it in the right way so that it fits on this site. Now I changed the column width a little bit here too. And if we go to the container, you can see it's 40% left. And you can change this. If I say 50, it's going to change the whole container. But I've optimized the image for 40% and 60% right. Now, with Carrd, it's going to automatically put this into a mobile format. So if I click on the mobile section here, you can see that for the most part, it looks great, especially the parts that I haven't changed. But if we wanted to change images, you can see here there's a bit of a cutoff. So the image isn't centered where I want it to be. So what we need to do is click on the element that you want to change, come over to the appearance. Don't change that top part. Instead, scroll down and make sure that you're in this mobile view mode. Click manual. And then from here, we can change things so that it fits perfectly in the middle. So we can go width over here, and then you can change the height as much as you want. So you can see once it starts getting to this height, it's going to move the image over. But what we want to do is to find the right kind of height here so the image fits well in the middle. Click done, and what you can do is toggle between this and this to see if that image is lining up properly. So for the most part, Carrd is going to transform the website into a mobile friendly website, but with images you need to go through and just double check to make sure everything is lining up correctly, especially after you have uploaded the images. That's one thing that you might need to do when it comes to changing things with the Carrd website to make sure it's mobile friendly. So that is the tutorial. Like I mentioned before, be sure to go to nocode.mba to check out the courses that we have. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. And then also check out the description for more videos on how to build websites using Carrd, the one-page website builder. Thank you for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.